Hi friends, welcome to G Fitness Artist YouTube channel. So before going into the video, this video is all about the magical component that everybody is thinking, a myth that is in the mind of every bodybuilder or any fitness guy, is how to get extremely defined cuts or extremely a pro fitness body. Most of the people think that anabolics or steroids are behind this stuff. And I do believe that it's only a myth. So in fitness, actually two things are very important, or two factors I'll say it to be specific, that is testosterone and growth hormone. So testosterone is a basic male hormone and growth hormone I'll be discussing in the next video. So being the male sex hormone, it plays a vital and most important role in bodybuilding fitness. So in order to get an extremely defined cuts, testosterone is very important. So in this video, I'm going to discuss 10 natural ways of increasing or boosting your testosterone rather than going for anabolics. So there is no use of anabolics, natural ways are there. Let's see. So most of us used to work out very hard, but still not having a proper figure. We are maintaining proper diet, we are taking supplements, still what is happening? So the thing is that first of all, go and check your testosterone. So if the testosterone level is really low, thing is that you have to boost it up. So here are the natural ways of boosting it up. First is get adequate sleep. You need to have a sleep of around 7 to 8 hours. To be exact, 7 to 8 hours per day. So increase in testosterone is directly dependent upon the rest that you are giving into the body. So 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Next thing is to maintain a healthy weight. Healthy weight is you should not be underweight, you should not be overweight. In both ways, the thing is that there will be, if you are an overweight or an underweight guy, the testosterone level will be low. So always maintain a quite natural weight, not underweight, overweight. Now the third thing is you should have a well-balanced diet. There should be carbohydrates, there should be proteins, and there should be fats. To be exact, fats are very much essential for increasing testosterone. It's not a bad thing because in food we need good fats. That's the easy way to understand, good fats. So what are the sources of good fats? So I'll say some sources like foods, avocado, use of extra virgin oil, then peanut or peanut butter, whatever it is. These are some source of good fats. So always have fat, good fat included in your diet. Then the fourth factor is control stress. It's because once you are too much stressed, there is a hormone called cortisol which is produced inside your body. So once the level of cortisol hormone increases, the level of testosterone goes down. So it's very essential you should do whatever you like and reduce the stress so that it might increase your testosterone. These are all scientifically proven with too many studies. And the fifth one is proper exercise and also weightlifting. Weightlifting do have benefits on increasing your testosterone. It might be deadlifts, it might be squats, it might be chest press, anything. So weightlifting boosts up your testosterone. Plus exercise. Exercise in this sense, you should do a workout schedule of around 1 hour, of which there should be a high intensity training and with very less or frequent intervals of rest. So HIIT actually improves testosterone. Then comes one of the major things. What are the supplements that should be included for natural boosting of testosterone? First one is vitamin D3. Yes, vitamin D3, vitamin D which we receive from the sunlight. So vitamin D3 is very essential. Then comes zinc. Zinc is very important for increasing your testosterone level. So use of a zinc supplement is also very essential along with other multi-mineral vitamins. Minerals and vitamins. So these are some of the supplements that can be used. And there are certain things called natural testosterone boosters. Natural testosterone boosters. So I'll name some of them which is readily available and it's also cheap also. One is Tribulus terrestris. Second one is ashwagandha. Third is honey goat weed. Then shilajit. Then you can also go for ginseng. These are some of the natural testosterone boosters which should be used only on recommended dosages. Don't exceed the dose. it won't give you much like speedy results. Always use in the recommended dosage, moderate use. Then the final factor thing is that avoid all those things which increases your estrogen level, which increase estrogen level in your body, which might be always avoid alcohol, don't use drugs. I'm not saying that it's as a part of lifestyle modification, it impairs your testosterone production or reduces your testosterone production. So once you are aiming for such things like improving your testosterone, you should not use alcohol or drug. And apart from that, I'll also suggest some food items which can be included in your diet. I have noted some of the food items that I've been using personally. So I have wrote down some of the food items. First one is, if you are a non-vegetarian, you can go for fish twice in a week. I usually recommend tuna and also sardine, and you can also go for shellfish. This tuna is very rich in vitamin D. That's why I said tuna. So like I said, vitamin D is very essential. Shellfish has zinc, so it also helps in improving your testosterone level. Then you can also go for pomegranate. Pomegranate has additional benefits. It's naturally called a natural aphrodisiac, natural sexual stimulant. So use of pomegranate is always recommended to improve your testosterone. Then use of egg yolk. We usually throw away the egg yolk, but it is recommended, and according to latest studies, you can use 2 egg yolks along with other egg whites because it's rich in protein as compared to even egg white. Plus it do have healthy fats. So that is very essential. Then you can use honey as a substitute of sugar. Use honey as a substitute of sugar, but not in a very high quantity. There should be a balance, like I said before. Then there are some other vegetables and fruits like grapes, cabbage, garlic, ginger, use of extra virgin oil, and onion. So these are some of the food items that might help in improving your testosterone. These are the things that I have personally experienced and also incorporated in my food, which have helped me a lot. So I do have one suggestion, and it's a recommendation for all my friends over there. Don't go for shortcuts, or if you want a result in the next day, it's not possible. Don't think that steroids will give you good definition. It might. If you are going for a professional, it might. But in later part of your life, it will affect you. 10% there will be after effects and side effects, and it will be bad. So these are some of the natural testosterone boosting ways, and I'll be coming in the next video with natural ways of improving growth hormone. That is the second factor that I said. So if you have any doubts or any queries regarding this video, regarding the natural ways of improving your testosterone, please do comment on my inbox. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And one more thing, all these things is very scientifically proven, and the thing is that it's my personal thingy that I have used everything food that I have recommended over here, and he has given me immense results without any side effects. So to have a proper cut, to have good physique, these are some of the ways that I personally used, and I would hope that others will also use. So let's see soon. Till then, it's Girish signing off.